Online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Online course creation, step 13. Understanding marketing. Now, before you rush off to promote your course, you do need to have some understanding of digital marketing. And I'm here talking about pull marketing, not push marketing. This is not advertising as you see on the telly, the 30-second spot marketing. Okay, it's very different. Digital marketing is completely the reverse. Basically, you're taking your audience, your avatar, and you're taking them through a customer journey from finding you, knowing you, liking you, trusting you, and then wanting to buy from you. And this means that you have to create interest for them up front. Show them your expertise, show them your authority, and create interest with content and lead magnets. Lead magnets are things you offer them in return for their sign up to your email list. Once you've got them in your email list, you can then send them through your email sequence funnel. And you can send them a series of emails over a period of time, developing their interest and their desire to work with you and eventually to buy your course. And you offer the sale opportunity only at the end. It is important that you get your marketing properly organized. Yes, the marketplaces will do some of that for you, but you do need to get yourself properly organized and put it in place thoroughly. And this means having campaigns and having key calendar dates in mind. Don't forget, for instance, Black Friday. But you do need to have an ongoing process. This is not something you do once and forget about. Once you've got the course created, you can sell it many, many times, but you have to do that marketing in order to achieve that goal.